Hi everyone. So today's video is all about a chainsaw where the chain does not fit and the bar has been put on incorrectly. So we're going to show you how we figured out how to take the chain off, how to put the bar on correctly, and how to get a chain that fits your chainsaw. So hope this helps if you've ever had this situation, and let's get right into how we were able to do this. Here we go.
That it needs a chain tightened, but you can't tighten it anymore because the pusher right there is supposed to be in this hole, and someone has pushed this thing out beyond where it's supposed to go and let the pusher be behind, and it makes the bar move. It's not tight, and the chain's too loose. So what they did, they apparently have a chain on it that's the wrong size. So I think we're going to have to change it and put the right size chain on before we can use it. So that's what we'll do. Looked it up, and we ended up buying this new chain for it from Amazon, and it was really low price compared to the hardware store. It was about $12, and the hardware store was about $16. But this is the size that was recommended, so hopefully it'll fit this saw. We'll figure out how to get it out of the plastic container now. We'll be all right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nobody.
That it, whereas before it was pushed way out here and this was floppy, now it's all tight because this is not out. And we have plenty of room to adjust the screw as the chain loosens and continue to tighten it. We can go way out with it, and this will last us a long time, whereas this one was too far out to even start with. So I don't know who put that on, but it was obviously money wasted because you couldn't let it stretch hardly any till it had to be replaced. So this is what you want to see, is plenty of adjustment.